A supposedly real photo of the OPPO Find X7 Pro has just been leaked, and the design is actually very strange. I do not know what feeling to have about it, since the camera module could look very original with respect to the rest of devices that are currently on the market. But the truth is that it is a design that I personally do not like very much. We see an octagonal camera module with 4 cameras apparently. According to what we get to see, 2 of those lenses look rectangular, so we could talk about 2 periscope cameras, and on the right side it seems to simply have some laser system to focus properly or something similar. On the front we can see an extremely extended screen utilization, and we have a curved screen on the left and right sides. This device is expected to use the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, and the cameras are also expected to have good specifications. It is said that the back 4 cameras will be 50 megapixels, albeit with different sensor sizes, but we don't have much information yet. It is also said that it could have satellite connectivity, but possibly this stays only within China. According to rumors, this device could be presented in January or February 2024, although its global launch would probably be a little later.